guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are safe and doing great. So today I want to talk about all my favorite nude lipsticks. These are my current favorite nude lipsticks. So these are about 5 lipsticks and 1 lip pencil, which are my absolute favorite and I use most of the time. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's start with the lip pencil. This is the lip pencil I've been talking about. For the price 350 rupees, which is affordable, but I got it in sale for about 210 rupees or something like that. My favorite shade in the whole collection. This is called Chocolate Boy. So whenever I'm going with a new lip, I make sure I have this on my lips before going with the new lips. So this have an amazing formula and this is so beautiful. The shade is my absolute favorite in all the shades of the range. The lipsticks I want to talk about is the pinkish nudes. So this is the lipstick I'm talking about. This is from Maybelline Creamy Mattes collection. This is in the shade Touch of Spice, which is a beautiful everyday shade. I am in love with this shade ever since I got this. In talking about the formula, this is one of my favorite formulas right now. This is called Creamy Matte. So as the name says, it is creamy. It is very comfortable on the lips, but it doesn't seem very creamy. It is a matte finish. It transfers a little bit, but I don't really have a problem with that. So this retails for price 299 rupees. So the next lipstick I want to talk about is from the same collection again. This is from Maybelline Creamy Mattes collection in the shade Nude Nuance. And this shade is my favorite in the complete collection. If you are someone who loves just nude without any tint of any shades like red or pink or coral types, this is for you. The next lipstick I want to talk about is from Wet n Wild. This is the Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick. This is in the shade Rebel Rose. This only suits for light to medium skin tones. It doesn't suit a little if you're on deep medium skin tone or a little bit deeper skin tone, it will wash you away. It will just make you look ashy, which is not really good. So if you are on my skin tone or lighter than my skin tone, this will suit you very perfectly. This retails for price 499 rupees, which is affordable. Again, all the lipsticks I'm showing are quite affordable. Everything is below 1000 rupees, which is great. So I'm in absolutely love with this lipstick. The formula is very good. The longevity is like so good. It will stay for a very good amount of time. So yeah, go and check out. If they have other nude shades like Give Me Mocha something. If you are deeper skin tone, do check out Give Me Mocha shade. It is very beautiful. The next lipstick I want to talk about is from Miss Claire. You might have heard. This is the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade 57. This suits again for light to medium skin type. If you are on deeper skin type and if you have some lipstick of very dark shade and if you want to light that shade, this will work very beautifully. So So the last lipstick I want to talk about is from PAC. This is from the PAC Retro Matte Gloss collection. This is such a beautiful formula. It stays for a very good amount of time, and this is in the shade Adore 40, which is an absolutely perfect nude for me. This is like the perfect nude for me. It might wash a bit out for deeper skin tones, but for light to medium skin tones this is a beautiful shade. And they have again a wide range of shades. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.